Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with ignition in on or ACC so the dash electronics power up. Once done, reach the dash area and find the clock button or the small H and M buttons near the display. Some trims use the menu/selector knob instead. Make sure to keep the radio off to avoid button interference and steady your view. Glare makes tiny labels hard to read. This gets you directly into the adjustment mode and prevents accidental resets while you change hours and minutes. You now enter the time set mode. Press clock once or press and hold menu until the hour blinks. Next, press the H button to increment hours. Press repeatedly for single steps or hold to fast advance. Once the hour is correct, press clock or the selector to move to minutes. Then use the M button the same way. Hold for quick jumps. If your Odyssey uses the dial, rotate to change values and press to accept. Make sure to cycle AM versus PM if shown. Otherwise, the clock will be 12 hours off. You finish by pressing clock or exiting the menu to save the new time. Visually confirm the display reads correctly. If the clock reverts after a shutdown, make sure the vehicle battery has proper voltage and inspect the interior fuse for the clock. Check your owner's manual for exact slot, often fuse #7 or labeled clock. If adjustments still fail, the clock module or display could be faulty. Make sure to mention to your technician what you tried when you book service, so they can diagnose efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.